Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, hari ni kita akan cakap pasal bab 4 Form 4 Biology. Composition chemical in cell. We're going to talk about lipid. Okay, so first, lipid is a compound that exists naturally in plants and animals. One of the example of plants type of lipid is oil. Okay, so lipid actually consists of element hydrogen, carbon and also oxygen. Okay, lipid is insoluble in water, but they can soluble in organic solution. For example, ester, alcohol and chloroform. The type of lipids are fats and oil, wax, phospholipids, and also steroid. Fats and oils are triglycerides. Triglycerides is a form of condensation. Is a type of ester that form from condensation process. That consists one glycerol with 3 fatty acids. Triglycerides can be hydrolyzed again into fatty acids and glycerol through the process of hydrolysis. Glycerol are a type of 3-carbon alcohol that contain 3 hydroxyl groups, which is negative oxygen hydrogen. Fatty acids is categorized into types of fatty acids, which is unsaturated fats and also saturated fats. The difference between these two types of fatty acids is they both have glycerol and fatty acids, and they also contain hydrogen, carbon and also oxygen, and also they contains non-polar molecule. Okay, for the comparison of between these two, the unsaturated and saturated fats, first we can look through their bonds. Their bonds, for saturated, they only have single bond, while the unsaturated, they at least have one double bond between the carbon. Okay, so as saturated is single, while unsaturated at least one double bond between carbon. Okay, so we can also see through the hydrogen, which saturated fats do not form chemical bond with additional hydrogen atom, while unsaturated, which is double bond, can still receive one or more hydrogen because atom carbon is unsaturated, so they can still receive more hydrogen atom, additional atom. Okay, so for saturated, in the shape of source of saturated fats, they isn't solid in room temperature. It is for saturated, they are solid in room temperature. For example, butter and also animal fat, they are solid in room temperature. While for the unsaturated, they are liquid in room temperature. For example, olive oil and also fish oil. Okay, next we have another type of lipid. We have wax, which is in Malay we call lilin. Okay, so wax contained one molecule of alcohol that combines with another molecule of fatty acid. Okay, and it is also waterproof. Okay, then we have phospholipid, which is major component of plasma membrane that made up of one molecule of glycerol that combines with two molecular fatty acids and one group of phosphate. Then we have steroid that compound of lipid that doesn't have fatty acids. As you can see, in triglycerides, phosphate and also wax, they contain fatty acids, while steroid, that type of lipids that doesn't contain fatty acids, and the one and only that doesn't have fatty acids. The example is cholesterol. Testosterone is one of the made up hormones, progesterone, and also we have estrogen. The importance of lipid in cell, they were source of animals' energy. They were more energy compared to carbohydrate, and also they act as liner to protect internal organ from getting bacteria and pathogen. And also it also can act as a heat insulator for animal, especially animals that live in cold weather. Next, continue to the of the important lipids in cells. Wax, that is important component in cuticle on leaf and sebum, help to avoid losses of water. Next, one of the type of lipid is glycolipids. Is also important to ensure the stability at the plasma membrane. And also it helps in the cell to identification of bacteria and also pathogen that will get through in the cell. Lastly, we have cholesterol, that also important in steroid for hormone synthesis.